Hi, good morning, Penang Youth. Yeah, I'm Boon Yew here, head of faculty of Forward School. Yeah, so thanks. First of all, thanks PIDC for providing us the chance to talk to the Penang Youth, especially those who are looking for or deciding on their career path. Right. So, yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the questions that we will answer one by one. So what is the career? What is my career is all about? Okay, my career been involved in education for the past 7 to 8 years. So yeah, so until now as a faculty head, I'm also very heavily involved in education, especially in the management part now. So yeah, so I can consider myself the person that would very much enjoy to help students and also my candidates to excel in their life, especially in terms of getting the right skill or the right education to help them in their work life or even in their business. Yeah, so this is about my career. And how do I started my career? My career started long ago once I enrolled in myself into university. So yeah, so a bit background of my education since university. I have received my scholarship since my degree year until my PhD. I have never paid a single cent for my own education. Thank God for that. I have the opportunity to attend a lot of scholarship interview and get my chance to excel in terms of no need to pay a single cent for my education. And I started once I met with my professor in the or associate professor in university level. So I felt that it's a noble work when I join education line where I can help people not in terms of just educate them but also influence their life. So I'm very much a happy person when I can help add value to your life rather than just work on some projects that doesn't help even in community. So better still is that where I be able to enroll myself in the university level where I can even impact or influence the community through our research. So this is where I started my career, where I enroll myself to be a person that want to add value to other people. And so this is how I started. And why I choose this career, yeah, it's the same thing where I'm passionate to talk to people. I want to add value to people, to build their life, to pull them out from some state that are very negative to somewhere that they can function in a way that they can excel. Yeah, so this is always be my passion even until now when I'm in forward school. My passion is always be helping students or the candidates, those who are lost, to find the path that they wanted to. So this is all in my heart. That's why I'm happy with what I'm doing right now. What is the obstacle you face in my career? Okay, so the biggest obstacle I would say will be coming to the bureaucracy. There's a lot of process of policies. So yeah, so the toughest thing is about to modify the policies and find the best policy and also way to help the students. I won't say that I have the best, but then we always want to do the best to help students. So the constant thing that will happen is that we have different people with different mindset. So we have to respect people's decision and also their view on certain things. So this is why in terms of when come to discussion, we come to brainstorming session, yeah. So we have to accommodate to certain levels of understanding. So this is one of the obstacles I feel that it will happen every day or even every week, every month. So it never stops. But then of course I will never let this obstacle become my the pulling force that stop me from going forward. Okay, so what is the advice for youth who wanted to be in this career? All right, so for those who are interested to help people, not just to help people but influence people through your knowledge or through your passion, I think my advice is that you have to be genuine. When you help people, people will genuinely know that you coming from a very selfish perspective or very in terms of genuine perspective. So people are not stupid. People are very cautious when they know that, okay, this guy, okay, he's gonna just push thing to me. So it's not doing the right thing. So I feel if you want to be an educator, you want to be involved in education, tell yourself and ask yourself one questions. I mean, are you going to help people, or are you going to just do the job just for the sake of doing it, right? And yeah, so this is my advice to those who want to join education, because you need a lot of passion to go on this field. It's no joke, because sometimes you feel down when things doesn't go our way. So you have to ask yourself the question: do you enjoy yourself when you help people and you influence the people to the right way? Yeah, you have to ask this question and answer it before you start. You get involved in this career. Right, any skill they need to improve if they want to be in this career. Okay, for my field, in education field, there's a lot of field that we can go into. For me, I personally choose engineering because I was exposed to engineering in my early year, and I was being given an opportunity to come with the certain products or certain projects early in my secondary school. So this is the reason why I love engineering, and when with the help of my passion to influence people in in education wise, I have combined these two, and the skill that if those who want to join engineering education side, the skills that you really need is more to technical. So if you know that you want to become the mechatronic or robotic engineering or software engineering, you have to pick up a lot of skills, including all the software. So as you know now, the MCOs are going on. Thanks PYDC for doing this to allow us to talk to you. So even all this, a lot of things need to be automated or doing online. So you can imagine if you want to to teach people in the future, then so you have to pick up all this, like to educate people how to build your own website, to build their own recording device, to build their own platform to share their experience. Yeah, so go with the skills that is related to the field. Yeah, so of course education side start with the passion. Secondly, go the skill that you want to educate the person. So, for example, for myself is software engineering. So I upskill myself in terms of software and also automation part. Yeah, so this is where I go into. And all right, so finally, words to the youth. Right. So words to the youth. For my life, I always have changes in my life. So yeah, it never stops. Every day. Even in this period, it's even more crucial that we have to change. So the change is it won't go away, and we need to change to be in order to stay in place, or to be in order to flow with it, to do the flow. So my words to the youth is the only constant is change, right? So you have to keep changing. Or maybe what I would call the second word is learning. So you keep learning, moving forwards. In terms of the all the fields that you are passionate about, and changing or learning will be constant. So every day or every week, every month, until the day you step into the graveyard. So that's the day you stop. But for me, the change will not stop. Right, so before I end, I also want to introduce to you our for-school program. So we are teaching passionately on software engineering. So and especially on applied type. So if you are interested in software engineering, actually we have a sponsoring program that's going on right now as we speak, and our intake will be in June. So contact us and go to our website, and have a look on it, and also encourage those who are really want to do hands-on programming, come and join us and learn to change and learn to excel even in the technology world, so that you have a so-called future-proof or recession-proof job in the future. So this is my advice to all the Penang youth. So I hope that you have learned something from me, my short sharing and my experience. So once again, I want to thank BYDC for this chance to talk to all the youth in Penang. So best of luck and hope to see you in the future. Bye bye.